boy, dhɔɔɔl, boys, dhɔɔɔl, girl, nyal, girls, nyer or nyiri or gwar. You can use any of this. Man, wood, men, wuni, women, ciek, woman, man, male, toot, female, ngot. Let's repeat it again. Boy, dhɔɔɔl, boys, dhɔɔɔl, girls, nyal, girls, nyer, nyiri, or you can say gwar. Man, wood, men, wuni, woman, ciek, woman, man, male, toot, female, ngot. Okay, let's move on. Boy, dhɔɔɔl, boys, dhɔɔɔl, girl, nyal, girls, nyer, nyiri, gwar. Man, wood, men, wuni, woman, ciek, woman, man, male, toot, female, ngot. We will repeat again so that you can have better understanding. Boy, dhɔɔɔl, boys, dhɔɔɔl, girl, nyal, girls, nyer or nyiri or gwar. Man, wood, men, wuni, woman, ciek, woman, man, male, toot, female, ngot.